Can you delete all your tweets at once on X? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to delete all of your tweets at once in X. So let us begin. First, let us go to our X and then go to our profile. If you don't know how to go to your profile and watch all of your tweets, just tap on your icon on the top left and tap on profile. Now here you will see all of my tweets. Now if you're wondering if you can delete all of these at once, let us try that. Now there is no way to select all of the tweets here. Now if I tap on the three dots, I cannot just select multiple posts. So the only thing that I can do is delete the post one by one. Now there is an alternative way, and for that you'll have to contact the Twitter's or Access support system. Go to the help center, and after you're on the help center, you can simply report about this problem. Now that is not a confirmed way, so the only way to delete your tweet all at once is by simply going through it one by one. And I hope that answers your questions. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and